Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up a Teachable referral program? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a referral program anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you get word of mouth from your students, it's an easy way to gather new fans and new students. And by setting up a referral program, you can incentivize your students to talk to their friends about it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know the referral program is different than setting up an affiliate program. If you need help setting up an affiliate program, go back and watch my other video that describes that process in detail. But a referral program is more for existing students to talk to their friends and family to sign up for your program, as opposed to an affiliate program is usually marketers who are going to promote your course or your digital product, and then they get a percentage of it. For me, it's basically the same thing. It's just referral programs are usually for existing students. So in order to set up your referral program, here on the left side, you're going to click on Site. It looks like a computer. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here to the left. And to set up a referral program, here on the bottom, click on Referral Program. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on this button, Set Up Student Referrals. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the Setup Refer Reward. Now, they do let you know when you're setting up a referral program, this is not something they're going to get paid. They're going to end up getting discounts or rewards that can be used for your school. So they can use it to buy your courses, your digital products, things like that. So the first thing you're going to do is choose the product type. So do you want your students to be referring your courses, your coaching, or any kind of bundles? Or you can do what I do and just choose all products. So that way, if my students refer any product, they're going to end up getting this reward. So what is the reward? So by default, it's here at 20%, but we can actually just change that up or down. So let's go ahead and maybe increase that. Let's do a 33%. Okay, we got that 33%. So if they refer somebody, let's say for a $100 purchase, they're going to get $33 to use inside of my school, my existing student. And then here you can go ahead and cap the amount of referrals and rewards they can get. So by default, it's at 100. For me, I like to go ahead and put this pretty high, 1,000, because I do affiliate marketing, and it's kind of discouraging when I see a referral program that maxes you at like 5 or 10. I kind of think to myself, why am I going to spend a lot of time promoting this product and putting my link out there, and then I only get paid for 3 or maybe 5 referrals, and then after that, that company gets free marketing that they don't need to pay me for. So for me, I usually set this pretty high, but that's really up to you. And you want to click on Next. Okay, so here is the discount that that person is going to receive. So if I share my code, this is the discount that that friend or family is going to get. So let's go ahead and put a coupon on all products, and then the friend is going to get a 10% discount on all products if they use that person's referral code. And we're going to click on Next. Okay, here you can go ahead and put in the details. So if you need help setting this up, go ahead and just run it through ChatGPT. But generally, I'm going to go ahead and try to put as many restrictions on here as possible to help avoid any kind of issues in the future. So give 33%, 10%, get 33% referral reward. Okay, and then you go ahead and fill this out. And then here you want to go ahead and put in the URL that your friends or family need to go to. So I'll just put in any old website there and then click on Publish. Okay, now we have a referral program set up. So we can come back in here, and then we're going to be able to see all of the different referrals that we have. And then it gives a summary of the referral program. If you need to edit these percentages or any kind of the terms, you can go back in here and edit it. So there you have it, guys. If you're trying to set up a referral rewards program in your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.